Hey everyone, it's Miguel, and let's be real. The future feels kinda scary, right? Robots are getting smarter, AI's writing code. It's easy to feel like our jobs are on the line, and yeah, some are. McKinsey predicts nearly 40% of jobs could be automated by 2030. That's a lot, but don't panic just yet. Because today we're diving into 5 careers that AI can't touch. Jobs that'll be around for decades because they rely on skills only have. Think robots are about to take over the world? Think again. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which jobs are future-proof, and maybe even get inspired to pursue one yourself. So, hit that subscribe button, because things are about to get interesting. Alright, first up, mental health therapists. Now I know what you're thinking, won't AI therapy apps replace human therapists? And the answer is, not really. See, therapy is about way more than just spitting out advice. It's about deep listening, building trust, understanding the nuances of human emotion. It's about that moment when a therapist's just you know? That feeling of being seen and heard. AI can't replicate that. It can't offer a comforting presence during a panic attack, or celebrate a client's hard-won victory with genuine joy. Plus, think about it. When you're vulnerable and sharing your deepest fears, do you want a robot analyzing your data? Or a compassionate human being who's been there, listened to countless stories, and knows how to navigate the messy complexities of the human experience? Yeah, exactly. And the numbers back this up. The American Psychological Association found that even though AI therapy apps exist, the vast majority of patients, like 86%, still prefer human therapists. And get this, the demand for mental health professionals is already through the roof, and it's only going to keep growing. We're talking a projected 22% increase in therapist jobs by 2032. So yeah, this career path is about as future-proof as it gets. Next up, we've got the hands-on heroes, the masters of the material world, skilled tradespeople. Think electricians, plumbers, welders, carpenters, the folks who keep our world literally running. Now you might be thinking, but Miguel, what about those robot arms building cars? And yeah, automation is changing manufacturing. But here's the thing, robots excel at repetitive tasks in controlled environments. Out in the real world, not so much. Can a robot navigate the cramped space under your sink to fix a leaky pipe? Can it improvise a solution when a wire shorts out in a 100-year-old house? Can it soothe a panicked homeowner while simultaneously rewiring their fuse box? Not a chance. Skilled trades require critical thinking, adaptability, and that uniquely human ability to MacGyver your way out of a problem using duct tape and a prayer. Plus, let's be honest, sometimes you just need a human to show up and say, yeah, I've seen this before, we'll get it figured out. And the best part? The US is facing a massive shortage of skilled tradespeople. We're talking 1 million fewer workers than we need. This translates to job security, high demand, and let's be real, pretty great salaries. I mean, have you seen what plumbers charge these days? 3 creative professionals where imagination beats algorithms. Okay, moving on to a field near and dear to my heart. Creative professions. This is where the magic happens, where imagination takes flight and transforms into something tangible, something that can be felt and experienced by others. Writers, designers, musicians, artists, the folks who bring beauty, meaning, and imagination into the world. They are the dreamers and the doers, the ones who see the world not just as it is but as it could be. Now AI can generate text, mimic art styles, even compose music. It can analyze patterns and produce work that is technically proficient. But can it create something truly original? Something that moves us, challenges us, and makes us feel deeply? Can it evoke the same emotional response that a human can? Can it capture the raw emotion of a heartbreak ballad, the kind that makes you feel like the artist is singing directly to your soul? The subtle social commentary of a satirical novel, which makes you laugh and think at the same time? Or the innovative vision of a groundbreaking design that redefines what we thought was possible? Here's the thing. True creativity isn't just about following patterns, it's about breaking them. It's about pushing boundaries and exploring new frontiers. It's about infusing work with emotion, cultural context, lived experience, and a healthy dose of rebellion. It's about making a statement and leaving a mark. It's about understanding the human condition in a way that algorithms simply can't. It's about empathy, connection, and the shared human experience. Sure, AI can write a formulaic rom-com script or generate a catchy pop song. It can follow a formula and produce something that is technically sound. But the stories that truly resonate, the art that becomes iconic, the music that moves us to our core, that's all human. It's the imperfections, the nuances, the personal touch that makes it special. And guess what? The demand for human-created content is higher than ever. People crave authenticity, originality, and the unique perspectives that only humans can provide. Hollywood studios, publishing houses, design firms, they're all clamoring for fresh, original work that only humans can provide. They know that true creativity can't be replicated by machines. So, if you're a creative soul worried about AI stealing your thunder, fear not. Your imagination is your superpower. Embrace it, nurture it, and let it shine. The world needs your unique voice now more than ever. 4. Teachers and educators. The human connection in learning. Alright, let's talk about the unsung heroes of society. The folks who shape young minds and inspire future generations, teachers and educators. These individuals dedicate their lives to nurturing the potential within each student, often going above and beyond the call of duty. Now I know some people think robots will replace teachers, but honestly, that's just not happening. The idea of a robot taking over the classroom might sound futuristic and efficient, but it misses the essence of what teaching truly is. Why? Because teaching is about so much more than just delivering information. It's about engaging with students, understanding their needs, and fostering an environment where they feel safe and motivated to learn. It's about creating a dynamic learning environment, adapting to different learning styles, and inspiring a love of learning in young minds. Teachers are constantly adjusting their methods to suit the unique needs of each student, something a robot simply cannot do. Can a robot read a room full of squirmy kids and adjust its lesson plan on the fly? Can it sense the subtle cues that indicate a student is confused or disengaged? Can it recognize when a student is struggling silently and offer personalized support? The human touch in education is irreplaceable, as it involves empathy, intuition, and genuine care. Can it instill a sense of wonder and curiosity that sparks a lifelong passion for learning? I don't think so. The magic of teaching lies in those moments of inspiration and connection that only a human can provide. Teachers don't just teach, they mentor, they guide, they inspire. They play multiple roles, from being a source of knowledge to a pillar of support, and even a role model. They create a space where it's okay to ask questions, make mistakes, and grow. This supportive environment is crucial for the development of critical thinking and problem-solving skills, and that human connection, that ability to connect with students on an emotional level, is irreplaceable. It's what makes learning a deeply personal and transformative experience. Plus, here's a little irony for you. Even AI needs teachers. The development and training of AI systems require the expertise and guidance of human educators. Someone has to train these algorithms, develop the data sets, and ensure they're being used ethically and effectively. This highlights the indispensable role of teachers in both traditional and modern educational landscapes. So yeah, the future of education might involve AI, but it'll be human teachers at the helm, guiding the way. They will continue to be the heart and soul of education, blending technology with the irreplaceable human touch. 5. Healthcare workers, where compassion meets expertise. And finally, let's talk about the true superheroes of our time, healthcare workers. These individuals are the backbone of our medical system, tirelessly working day and night to ensure that we receive the best care possible. Nurses, doctors, caregivers, the folks who dedicate their lives to healing, comforting, and caring for others, they are the ones who stand by us in our most vulnerable moments, offering not just medical expertise but also emotional support. Now, AI is already making waves in healthcare, and that's a good thing. The integration of AI technology is revolutionizing the way we diagnose and treat illnesses, making procedures more efficient and accurate. AI can help analyze medical images, assist with surgeries, and even provide personalized treatment recommendations. These advancements are invaluable, offering new ways to tackle complex medical challenges. But here's the crucial difference: AI can assist, it can't replace. The human touch, the ability to understand and empathize, is something that machines simply cannot replicate. When it comes to life or death decisions, to navigating the complexities of the human body and the even messier realities of human emotions, we need human judgment, empathy, and intuition. These are qualities that are honed over years of experience and cannot be programmed into a machine. Can a robot hold a patient's hand as they receive difficult news? Can it look into their eyes and offer a sense of hope and understanding? Can it offer comfort and reassurance to a worried family member? The answer is no. These are moments that require a human touch, a compassionate heart, and an empathetic soul. Can it make split-second decisions based on years of experience and a deep understanding of the human condition? No way. These critical decisions often mean the difference between life and death, and require a level of expertise and intuition that only a seasoned healthcare professional can provide. Healthcare is about more than just data points and algorithms. It's about human connection, compassion, and the unwavering belief in the sanctity of human life. It's about building trust and forming bonds that go beyond the clinical setting. And that, my friends, is something robots can't replicate. The essence of healthcare lies in the human spirit, in the ability to care deeply and to act selflessly. The demand for healthcare professionals will only continue to skyrocket as the global population ages. With an increasing number of elderly individuals requiring medical attention, the need for skilled healthcare workers is more critical than ever. So, if you're drawn to a career that's both personally fulfilling and incredibly in demand, healthcare might just be your calling. It's a field where you can make a real difference, where your compassion and expertise can change lives every single day. The future is human, so there you have it. 5 careers that are not only safe from the robot uprising, but are also incredibly rewarding and in high demand. If you're worried about AI coming for your job, remember this. The future belongs to those who embrace their uniquely human skills: creativity, empathy, critical thinking, and the ability to connect with others on a deeply human level. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more future-proof career advice. And be sure to let me know in the comments which AI-proof career interests you the most. Until next time, stay curious, stay human, and keep on learning. The future is bright, and it's waiting for us to shape it.